Today is your lucky day if you are struggling to pick the best category for your Google business profile, because in this video I'm going to show you the best AI tool to spot the best category for your Google business profile to rank on Google Map. With this particular tool, you don't need to struggle to think about what category to choose. You simply type what your business is all about. It will give you the best category that matches what you do to be able to rank on Google Maps and get customers. I am Faith. On this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, web design, and digital marketing. I help professional business owners build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. If you want to sell online or you want to make money online, this is the best channel you want to subscribe to. Do that now, and let's get right into it. So to find the best category for your Google business profile using an AI tool, you're going to come to your browser and type faithamole.com/GMB everywhere. So as soon as you type this in your browser, you click. I'll also leave this link in the description of this video. As soon as you click on it, it will prompt you to come to here. Then you click on install Chrome extension. I've already installed this, as it says remove from Chrome. In your own case, you will see it install or add to Chrome. As soon as this is done, you are going to go back to the home page. You click on admin page. You want to return to your admin page so that you can access every other feature on it. If you want to watch the video on how to use this particular tool to audit your Google business profile, that is fine. It is the best tool to conduct audit and competitor analysis for your Google business profile to rank better on Google Maps. So we're going to use the AI tool that it has to find the kind of business category. As you can see, this my profile is on a pro version. You can use it for free and you can also upgrade if you want, but I'm using the unupgraded version of it. If you want to know more about the pricing, you can go to the pricing page to see what it costs. Okay, for $15 per month, you'll be able to do a whole lot for your clients, for agencies and freelancers. You can use this to sell your local SEO services to business owners. All right, you can also upgrade to this particular power package. It's absolutely fine. I'm on a pro version. You can also get a pro if you want, but if you don't want, you can use it for free. As you can see here, it's absolutely free to use. So let's go back to where I was. I want to click on AI tools. So as you click on AI tools, we want to use the GMB category finder. You can see a whole lot of things you can use this AI tool to do. Let's click on find GMB category. Remember, we want to find the category that suits our business. Probably you have no idea on which category to use. If you can decide to make a search, but then I'm going to use another feature here. You can decide to get a suggestion by inputting your website. If you enter your website, it will recommend the best category to use for you. But then let's assume I don't know. Then you can compare Google Trends to know which one is best for you. But then I'm going to go with categories from chat. Let AI help us brainstorm the best one for us. Let's say, what's your business all about? You just come here and type, I sell leather bags. Let's assume you don't even know which category to use. So send. So this AI tool will suggest the category. As you can see, it is thinking. It's going to help us give us the category that suits our business on Google profile. Let's wait for it. As you can see, this is fantastic. And one thing I love about this tool is that it is going to give you the number of monthly searches each of these categories get from Google. As you can see, leather goods shop has 22,000 searches every month. Leather goods store, bag store, leather goods supply 1K. This one is fashion. You have to pick the one that actually matches what you say. Let's say I have a store where I sell leather goods, or if I say handbags, I can copy this particular one and go to my Google business profile and update it. Just copy it. As you can see, AI has helped us brainstorm the category to use and we have gotten it. You can decide to pick any of them. Let's say I want to pick this handbag. Just click on it. It will be added for you. Let's see. It will be added for you. As you can see, it has been highlighted. Let me close here so that you can see it. See it here. The particular one I've chosen here from the recommendations AI has made for us. So you can see the related categories here. You can actually pick and add to your Google business profile. Then you can see related services. Let's see. related services, designer handbags, leather bags, tote bags, your clutch bags, and all of that. You can see it has made our work easy. What you have to do is just to pick the ones that pertain to your handwork, what you do. Let's say you are into wallet for women, you're creating leather purse for women or leather wallets for women. Just copy these ones, click on any of them, copy them, go to your Google business profile and enter them in the category where you add services. Then for related categories, you can pick anyone that is related to what you do so that you'll be able to show up. Let's say you are into boutique also, you can see that boutique has 1 million search every single month. You can see it, so you can copy boutique, add it as one of the categories you will feature on your Google business profile. So that's basically how to use AI, the best category that matches your Google business profile, so that you will be able to rank better. As you can see, this tool does not just give you categories, but it shows you the number of searches each of the category terms get from Google every single month. If you got value from this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to get this tool, please click the link in the description of this video and get the tool. See you in my next video.